Hi, my name's Evan. I'm the owner and inventor of Scorch Marker. I wanted to take a minute to tell you how it was invented and why. You see this right here, this is a traditional wood burning tool. It's also known as a soldering iron. These things suck. Here's what happened. My wife and I had designed a commemorative plaque for the fire department I was working for at the time. We really wanted to wood burn our motto into it. Together in, together out. So we pulled out this soldering iron, we plugged it into the wall, and I heated it up. I figured, hey, I'm an artistic person. I can make this work. Well, I grabbed this tool and I got stuck on the grain. I got hung up. I didn't have a stencil. I didn't have a good way to make it flow. It was choppy. It looked like crap, to be honest with you. So I had to start over. That got us thinking, what if we could wood burn using vinyl stencils? Well, until this point, you can't, because this would melt it. So we did some research, we put our heads together, and we invented the Scorch Marker. The Scorch Marker does it using our unique patented formula. It's heat reactive. So check this out. You take the marker, you draw on wood, and then you apply heat. The wood will burn only where you had drawn with the marker, making your piece look like this. Or like this. For the first time ever, you can use stencils to wood burn designs. It's fascinating and it opens up a whole new realm of crafting possibilities. And we're really excited to share it with you, and we're really excited to get your feedback. We have no idea what direction this product is going to go. We depend a lot on you, our customers. Use it, abuse it, give us feedback, tell us what you like, tell us what you don't like, and we'll make it a reality. Thanks for listening, and we hope to see you on our social media. Let's get crafting.